Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko. So today we're going to be talking about Clover Health, like Clover Health Investments, a ticker symbol CLOV or CLOV. We're going to be talking about the dark pool and the short attacks that this stock has, also the technical analysis and the predictions. So if you want to know like something from there, I mean the actual topics that I just said, make sure to keep on watching till the end, and let's just get straight into it. I don't want to waste nobody's time, and maybe just like and consider subscribing. But at this point, I mean, yesterday we closed the price right around 8.15 US dollars. We were up 8 cents or approximately, let's just say 1%, but it was like really 0.99, but like screw that. This is what my prediction looks like. I absolutely thought, I still believe though that we're about to push to the upside, and with the wicks and all, we kind of like did that's what happened. But then I think that we're kind of gonna push to the downside if we manage to really make that have that lower low right here. If we close with the price below that right here, we're gonna be making that lower low, and I absolutely think that we can like come back right here and then push to the upside. And what's happening with the thing that I just said at the beginning, okay? Let's talk about the dark pool and the short attacks. Clover has been like rampantly abused, and it's almost like it will be a case study for a future like legalization for what happened and why it changed and how it's changed. Okay, one of the strangest and the most unfortunate facts about life. This is from a person from Reddit. Okay, for huge credits to Nail Mecca Uali. Okay, I will just spell it for you guys. Neill Macaulay. Okay, huge shout out to him. I will just read that for you guys so you can just have a good understanding about that. And she said, one of the strangest and the most unfortunate facts about life is that while everyone assumes that the richest are abusing their power, no one does anything nor like does anything to change, because people either think they are simply too powerful, or it's just that the systems were never in place for the common person. On either accounts, the last year had the common folk bearing witness to a title 2 and 4, like from what GME, AMC, and the other like assortments. Cryptocurrency has, if you had it in the vision, in the appetite for risk, been a potential wet machine to boot. A lot of people got rich from crypto. I'm not even gonna cap. When you consider the fact that we were trading at 17 plus per year to the uh, disinvoices like Hindenburg report, which commands the shorting in the beginning, with we should be trading much higher based on the potential alone, with all those other reasons aside. If you're considering that the fact that AMC went from $2 to the 10 to the teens, then like wavered before going to $74, and that's like 30 times from, actually like more than 30 times from $2 after it was diluted and diluted and diluted, and it is a business that is only now starting to really make any profits, and it's still $30 plus, and it's honestly a baffling. Okay, GME is the same, the original meme stock that the war brought into, so it makes sense that it's still valued where it is. Okay, however, it's a business that's going to require more effort. Okay, it's gonna, what's that? Okay, so it is gonna be require more effort and time to make profitable than it's probably take AMC to show that it's debt free, which will be a long time. So Clover sits at there at like $8.15 when when it is progressing. It's growing. Those involved are selling, and those in this group don't budge. It's heavily played by those that can, but when the whale stops, it's gonna be our time, and it's going to be on like nothing that has been seen. I expect hedges that are shorting that will be looking to make a fortune when the covering starts as well. So I reckon it will move way different to AMC and GME. Just strap in and hold, and remember, it's now a game. We're playing against them, and it is just it just on day one day against us. Okay, We will see what will happen, okay, guys, with that. And once I said good analysis in GameStop with their billions cash and the unbelievable talent and ambition will succeed beyond imagination. Okay, so Clover is less risky through though due to it being so undervalued at the moment. Jimmy was worth $5 before it had its like enormous run, right? For like the life of the company, it was $5 for 2 decades. I don't see how it's now worth 35 times that given the shift away from the model of the businesses. Okay, I'm not saying that they won't kill it. I'm just saying that this price is a present is wild, wild, and we did actually make history. We did actually make history some months ago when they started to like really uh, with AMC and GME. That's when they squeezed. But yeah, that's about that. And welcome to Arizona State. I mean, investors. I'm from Arizona State. They're like a retirement system. They have around 31 and 604 shares too. They bought in just that's like what? Let me just count it up for you guys. So for example, the average cost was like $8 right there. 31,000 times $8, that's like $248,000 right there. So yeah, they're expecting a huge move. If these like kind of big companies know something from like the common person, I absolutely think that you should like kind of look at their paths and look at their steps, okay? And also what I want to talk about something like this is that we have a gaps right here too that I think that they're like going to be get filled. Also huge gap right here that got filled, gaps between here. So somewhere in the future, hopefully we're going to be coming to this level, and absolutely think that that will be happening. And for this kind of a good performance, I mean, last month we were trading at and we kind of had a support. This was in May and June, just at the start of June, at support at right around 655. Right now we're having a support at 760, something like that. Okay, just $1 and something more a support right there. A huge and beautiful play from this kind of stock, and I'm absolutely happy about it. Okay, I'm not even gonna cap. Huge shout out to the people who invested for this and who are still holding. Let's just see the volatility. Okay, the volatility is, I mean, yesterday was great. Okay, it was more than the days before that. It was 19 million. It was still not above the daily average that was 28 million. Then the day before that, it was 7 million. Okay, so there was like 12 million more than the previous date, which is absolutely insane. The volatility was insane, but we again kind of had a doji. But that's about it for the volatility. Okay, let me just close that thing up. And guys, that's about it for today. Okay, let me know what are your thoughts about Clover health investments, and thank you guys so much for sticking until the end. Like for sure. Thank you guys so much for your love too. I will take this time like 12 seconds, 20 seconds for thank you guys so much for you. I'm also like 2.3k subscribers. Thank you so much. I never believed that I can reach these numbers. I mean, yeah, but I'm like so thankful for you guys for liking with my videos and like staying in touch with me. And this is basically for today. Okay, peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.